Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are back on this 3100 frame. We'll be grinding out and cutting out a lot of stuff today. So we're going to be removing the bump stops for the rear end, and we're going to be grinding off the rivets and punching those out to remove the front leaf spring perches on the frame. After that, we're moving on to the new rear end, and we'll be cutting and grinding off the leaf spring perches on that in preparation for the forelink. So let's get to it. One side's done, driver's side's done, so let's do the passenger side now. Brackets are cut off now. I'm going to open the garage door and get some of the smoke out of here. Alright, so I've got the new rear end pulled out. All the mounts on the old frame have been ground off, cut off, smoothed out, so the frame is ready to go for the 4-link. Now the rear end behind me still has the leaf spring mounts welded to the tubes, so I have to cut those off, grind those down smooth, so I'm going to work on that right now. Let's get to it. And that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We got all the brackets cut off of the frame and off of the rear end, so that is fully ready to go now to 4-link it, which will be in the next video. So please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification icon right down here so you know when future videos do come out. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.